Gen 4 Glocks, especially the 19, ejection problems, right? Anybody shot one probably has gotten some brass in your pocket or brass in your face. And I've shot probably 10,000 rounds through mine with brass bouncing off the bill of my cap and in my pockets, and I just don't pay attention to it. A friend of mine shot my Glock the other day, and it was like, dude, he said, it's hitting me in the face. I said, yeah, so, you know, man up or quit shooting my ammo. But then when I shot the night shoot that I did a couple of videos ago, in pitch black, when that brass hits you in the face, you have no idea it's coming. You know, you don't see it. It's a little disconcerting. So I'm going to see if I can fix that. There's a ton of videos about putting new ejectors in, changing the springs, putting the new ejectors in. My Glock has the new spring, but it has the old style 336, I think it is, ejector in it. So I'm going to change the ejector. I'm not going to make you watch that. You want to see how to do that? There's 100 videos on how to do that. What I didn't see were any videos where the guy said, watch the brass hit my face, and now let's change the ejector and see what happens. So that's the video we're doing today. I'm going to take, excuse me, I'm chewing. I'm going to take a few shots down here. I got my steel set up down here not very far away, so I can hit it. And see if we can get some brass bouncing off the bill of my cap or hit me in the face. And then I've got my black mesh tarp out here, and I'm gonna see if we can't get some shots of where the brass is hitting the tarp. Then I'm gonna change the ejector, which will only take a couple minutes, and you don't have to. It'll like be magic. That ejector, good ejector, and we'll do the same thing. So I'll take a few shots with the face on, maybe a few from this side, and I could probably go back through some old videos and get crazy ejection, but let's just do this, shall we? There. That took a lot less time that time. So, I've got my Glock 19, Glock 17 mag in it, because that's what I have, and let's just see what we can do here. Hope this works. Kind of dark right here. Now I know I had one come right here. Hopefully you can see that. I've got a couple right here at my feet. One right over here, a couple over there. One behind me. Two in front of me. It's not right. I'm going to move the camera over here to the side and try it again. Should be about right. Okay, there was one off my hat that time. Now I've got three in front of me, some behind me, some over there. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, there's two leaves over there, kind of in the sun, or where my feet were at. And hopefully, see if this is going to work. Hopefully we'll be able to see the brass hitting the ground this time. I'm standing right here, and you can see I've got brass, 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 brass. Pretty erratic, all over the place. Should have about 5 or 6 rounds left here. Oh, or 3 or 4. One hit me in the shoulder that time, behind me, nothing more in front of me. So let's go ahead and change this thing out, see what happens. Okay, that took like 2 minutes to do. Now, here we go again. Hopefully we get a lot of brass back there in the back corner of this tarp. Let's find out, huh? Alright, so we'll do a few shots straight on here, or pretty much straight on. Those were all high, right over here to my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. I'm still standing pretty much on the leaves. I picked up all the other brass. Alright, so everything was just off to my right that time. Now I did have one go in front of me that time, but everything else is over here. Nothing came back at me. So it's much better. Okay, so let's see what we can get for strikes on the ground. Yeah. Well, let's just shoot a few more. I have more bullets. There's 8 in there. I think that'll work. So, there you go. If you've got a Gen 4 Glock 19 that's doing that crazy shit, spend 10 bucks, buy an ejector, stick it in, and it should solve your problems. It seems to have solved mine. Nothing came back. I did have one that kind of came out of the gun, and one out of 15, 25 rounds. Everything else is pretty much right over here in a pile, so should have done it a long time ago, I guess. Y'all be safe.